to the bakery, and today we're going to be making Easter biscuits. Right, what you need for the recipe is a bowl and a beater, some mixed spice and some mixed fruit, also some egg, some butter or margarine, some castor sugar, some baking powder, and some flour. This is ordinary baker's flour. So the first thing you need to do is put the butter and the sugar, or marge, into the bowl. And then we'll put this onto the machine. And we're now going to beat this up so it's nice and light. You start it on first speed at first to start with, then whack it up. Just stop him, scrape down. First speed, start adding in some of the egg. Right then. Rest in. Put rest in. Right, next stage. You got your flour. You want to add a couple pinches of baking powder in. I've already put the baking powder in. Next thing you want to add in your fruit. And a level tablespoonful of ground spices. Now what you want to do with these, you want to get hold of them and mix it in thoroughly with your hands. Obviously I'm using a bucket, you can use a little pan or whatever. Next stage. Start adding in the dry ingredients. Turn. straight down. Couple of turns. Right, and that's ready now to put on the table. This wants to be 4 millimeters thick. Also a little docker, dock the top. And this is about a 4-inch cutter, but you can use whatever you want really. And now we'll get the biscuits in the oven. The biscuits should take around about 15 minutes to bake in an oven between 350 and 400 Fahrenheit. Right, I think the Easter biscuits are ready. Yeah, they're ready. As soon as the Easter biscuits come out, I always sprinkle them with sugar. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the videos. Do subscribe and do share. At the bottom of most of these videos I'm doing now, I'm aiming to do recipes for the home baker. So you can actually bake along with the baker. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!